Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2019 33 Boston Whaler Outrage. Starting aft, we have the optional twin white 350 horsepower engines. You have a nice large live well built into the transom, or it can be used as a fish box. The aft seat slides out of the transom here, gives you a nice seating area. You have two large fish boxes built into the floor that macerate and pump overboard. On the port side, you see the nice dive door here, which has an external ladder that attaches, and you have a nice handle that pulls across for easy access inside and out of the boat. This boat was ordered with the optional summer kitchen. So you see you have an electric grill built in here with an inverter system. You also have a 65 quart Yeti cooler built in underneath. And then when not in use, this all folds up and gets out of your way. Moving forward, the helm area has two separate seats. So one nice captain's chair. And on this side, you actually have two captain's chairs built in with the flip up thigh rise. You also have a nice step, folds down. You need to get a little extra height at the helm. As far as electronics goes, we ordered the Axiom Pro twin screens on here. Active trim, fusion stereo, and auto trim tabs. You got a nice full glass windshield. It's all tempered safety glass. And a push button actuator to open the front glass to get a little breeze in your face. Full fiberglass hardtop. This boat was ordered with the weather curtain set that comes with it. Also, the boat has the optional trolling seats on either side that are built in, so you can sit facing aft when you're fishing and be under the shade. Full ladders on either side with the hatch to access the top of the hardtop. Moving forward, you have a great area for lounging and a great storage area underneath. This gives you ease of access. So your optional table, which this boat has, a teak table, stores here, and you can put it here or you can put it aft. Great rod storage, scuba tank storage underneath here. And this all has covers to cover everything up. Sitting forward, you have a nice floor box for fish and a box underneath this seat here, as well as ease of access to the windlass. This boat we did order with the bow sunshade, so you have two aluminum poles that pop in here and shade the entire front of the boat. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax at Wrightsville Beach, and you can reach me at 910-200-9636. Thanks for taking a look at our video.